So, hello students, hope you all are doing well. So let's continue our JavaScript series, and today we will gonna discuss about your data types in your JavaScript. Okay. So let's continue our today lecture. Let me share my desktop screen, and then we will continue our lecture. Okay. So our today topic is first of all let me minimize it. So our the today topic is data types. Okay. So data types. Data types. P-Y-P-E-S in JavaScript. Okay. So first of all, what are the data types? Okay. So for before defining your any variable, we are creating a that means if you are giving the value teaser type or something like integer type. Okay. So this is your int type data type. Okay, means which kind of value you are giving to your variable. Okay, that are called your data type. If you are giving the kind of let's take Ankit or anything name kind of value, then those value will be called string type. Okay, and if you are trying to give the value to your variable like any alphabetical letter, then those values are called the character type. And if you are trying to assign the value to your variable as a type any kind of integer type, then those data types are called int type of your data types. Okay, so this is the basic concept behind your data type. Okay, and mainly in your any programming language, data type is of two types. Okay, one is your primitive. Okay, and second one is your non-primitive data types. Okay, non-primitive data types. Okay, tip non-primitive data types. Okay, so this is the basis the type of your data type that can be assigned to your variables. Okay, and now let's see the your non simple primitive data type. Okay, so generally your primitive data type are of 8 type in your JavaScript. Okay, but mainly we will focus on int type. Okay, second one is your integer type. First one is your int type. Second one is your the character type. Okay, and char. And third one is your string type. Okay, string type data type. And the one is boolean type. Okay, so basically these four kind of data type is mainly being used in your JavaScript. Okay, also some more type of data type can be defined as well, like the null, uh, big int, lang. Okay, these are also a kind of data type can be declared into your JavaScript, but mainly we'll gonna use these four data types during your programming languages. Okay, so now let's discuss about these data type one by one. Okay, so let's take. I will define a variable. So let x is equal to, I will simply assign a value 5 to my x variable. Okay, and now if I will try to check the type of my this x variable, that is this x is a which type. Okay, so I will simply pass a type of method. Okay, so there is a type of method is being simply defined. So type of, and inside this I have to check the type of my x variable. Okay, and if I will run my program onto my browser, then you can see the number is being printed. Okay, let me make it at a half screen as a type. Okay, and let's minimize this slightly so that I can display my JavaScript code. Okay, so wait a second, guys. I think there is a problem of light is being occurred here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so what we will try to discuss. First of all, let me adjust my desktop screen so that it will be easier for us for the understanding the concept of our JavaScript. Okay, so okay, so now let's continue. So here, if I had passed this x variable to my type of method, then it is being returning that the type of my x is number. Okay, uh, that means if you are trying to assign the any integer type of value, okay, integer type of value to your variable, then the type of that particular variable is being printed as a type number. Okay, and now if I will try to simply assign the string type of variable value to my x variable, then let's see what we're gonna print. So if I will simply define a string type, let's take JavaScript, okay. Then I can see there is a wait a second, what is error here? Refresh it. See, the string type is being displayed onto your console window. Okay, that means now the data type or the type of my x is string type. Okay, because I had assigned a string type of variable to my x variable. Okay, and now if I will compare my JavaScript with another programming uh, languages like Java and C. Okay, then in those programming languages like in Java, okay, in Java you have to first of all define the type of your variable. You have to define the type of your any variable. Like if you have to declare any kind of variable, then first of all you have to define the data type of that particular variable, like int x barabar 5, int x barabar 5. Okay, so here I have to say that my x is of type integer type. Okay, that means you can only store the integer type of value to my x variable. Okay, and if you are trying to store any kind of string kind of value to my x, then it will throw an error. Okay, because I had already simply define the type of my x is of type integer. Okay, that means you can't store the other kind of value except integer to my x variable. Okay, but in case of your JavaScript will make your all variables with independent data type. Okay, that means you just have to simply define your variable, and you can store any kind of values to that particular variable. And after that, the the type of your variable is being checked at a runtime, not at a compile time. Okay, so the type of your variable is being assigned at a runtime on the behalf of which kind of values will be given to your variable. Okay, then after the data type is being defined. Okay, so this is the main property of JavaScript, which is make it different from the other programming languages. Okay, so we had seen then that is if you are trying to give a string type of value to your x, then the type of x is become string here. Okay, okay, and now let's take the another method, like if okay, okay, let's take the another variable a. Okay, and now if I'm trying to add the two value to my x variable, let's take a is equal to 5 plus 4. Okay, 5 plus 4. Okay, and now if I will print, I will print, so console dot log, and I will print the value of my a. Okay, then I can see wait a second, I will print then I can see the 5 plus 9 is being printed onto my console tab. Okay. And what if I will check it, if and plus if I will check the type of, okay, type of my a, then the number is the type of my a variable. Okay, so it is become running perfectly. But what if I will add a string type of value? I will add JavaScript string type of value to my see here I'm trying to add integer type of value with a string type of value. String type. What will gonna happen? What will gonna happen? Okay, so it will simply what will they it done that your JavaScript will simply convert your this value that is int type to the string type, and it will simply concatenate these two string together. Okay, so if I will refresh the compiler, then I can see the 5 JavaScript is being printed here. Okay, 5 JavaScript is being printed here. Okay, that means okay, let's delete it here from here. Okay, so now if I'll check, then see 5 JavaScript is being printed over here. Okay, see your JavaScript compiler is treating these values like a is equal to a string 5 and then plus a string JavaScript. Okay, that means your JavaScript compiler will convert this in integer type value to the string type, and then after it will simply perform a concatenation operation onto these two string, and it will simply add these two string together, and it will return a result in form of 5 javas. Okay, but there is a the interesting concept is occurred here. What if I will try to make some this kind of changes to my values, like first of all I will give first of all I will okay yeah, it is being added. Okay, but what if I will try to do like 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, and then after I will add this string javascript. Okay, so in this case there are two integer value is come firstly. Okay, so there are two integer value will gonna add, and then after those added value will be converted to the string type. Okay, and then these two string will be the get added together. Okay, so your compiler is acting like first of all 5 plus 4 plus 5 will be the given, then the 9 will be the output, and then your nine will be the converted in the form of string. Okay, so string 9, and then after your these two string that is 9 and JavaScript is being added together. Okay, so JavaScript. Okay, so now your 9 and this JavaScript is being added, and the 9 JavaScript is being displayed on the console window. Okay, so this is how your JavaScript compiler is being simply perform the operation onto your variables. Okay, okay, so here we had discussed about your string. Okay, and in integer type. Okay, and now let's discuss the another type of variable, that is object type of variable. Okay, so if let's take var. Okay, var a student, and what I will do, I will simply make this kind of. Okay, so name, and I will store the name of a student. Let's take Ankit here. Okay, and then comma, I will give the age of my student. Let's take the 21 here, 21, and then after if okay, let's say the city of my student. Okay, city, so let's take the Roorkee here. Okay, Roorkee. And now if I will print the type of my student, okay, so let's see the student is which kind of type. Okay, so console.log console.log, and inside it I will pass the type of method, and I will try to check the type of my student variable. Okay, then I can see the student is of type object type of. Okay, that means here your student is a type of object which is consist of these three variables, that is name, age, and city. Okay, and if I will print my student simply, if I will print my student here, okay, then I can see the student is being printed. Let me refresh. See, the student is being printed here. That is AS21 CT Roorkee, and the name will be the printed. Okay. And now if I will try to access the type of my name, okay, so okay, type type of, and inside this I will pass the name. Okay, then I can see the name is of type string. Okay, here your name is of type string, and same as that is, if I will simply wanted to check, I wanted to check the type of my age. So I will pass the age variable inside my type of method. Then your age is the type of integer, but it is through the undefined. Now why? Okay, I think there is some misconception is being occurred. Okay, now here if I will try to access the type of my age, so type of age variable. Okay, okay, so here your age is being undefined for your compiler. Okay, and if I will try to access the type of my city, then your city is wait a second. Considered logic. Okay, I think there is a problem. Okay, your city is the type the undefined here. Okay, so that is how you can simply define the object variable into your JavaScript, and also you can check the type of your object variable as well. Okay, and I'll make the comment out here. Okay, so that is how you can check the type of your any variable. Okay, and in our next lecture, we will discuss about your array. Okay, array in your JavaScript. Okay, so this is all about the basics of your data types in your JavaScript. So okay, wrap up our today's session, and we will meet on to the next lecture. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.